Hi, and welcome back to the Save It for Parts channel. Today we're out here at this abandoned industrial railroad, and we've got our homemade electric rail go-kart. So it's all broken down currently to fit in the car, so I've got to get it out here, get it assembled, and then we'll drive around on the railroad with it. So I've upgraded my controller slightly. I now have everything mounted in this waterproof box. Got my voltmeter, 36 volts, emergency stop, reverse switch, which doesn't work for some reason, but I'll mess with that some more. Should be all ready to go now. Here comes Carl with his portable rail bike situation. Alright, so now we're in the middle of this giant industrial yard. It's all abandoned. It's just a sea of switches and little trees. And the problem is there's so many of these little trees, they're just catching in my drive chain as I go through. So I'm having a real problem staying on the track or staying mobile, because as I run over these little guys it pops the chain off. I need some kind of guard on my chain. Well, they've torn down the old factory that used to be here. So there's really nothing left of it but this rail yard. These tracks don't really go anywhere else, so this line is completely abandoned now. Half of these sidings and junctions aren't even connected anymore. They're just abandoned sort of stubs off into the weeds. Just ghost rail yard, as far as we can see. Alright, so we could keep going this way towards town, but it's starting to get dark and a lot of the crossings are paved over up here, so it's going to be more annoying to go that direction. So that might have to be another trip. So I think we're going to wrap this one up and call this rail cart a success. I need to do a few more tweaks, like adjust the size of my tires compared to my flanges, and I'm going to need a brush guard for this exposed chain so that I don't catch every little tree growing in the track. Other than that, this thing is working pretty well. Alright, we'll definitely be doing more with this train in the near future, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.